So you've poured your heart into a cool new downloadable cheat sheet, or mini course, but now you're scratching your head wondering how to actually get people to download it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, realistic strategy to turn that lead magnet into a short, punchy promo clip that's perfect for Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. And stick around, because I'll also show you a total game changer for automating your workflow using a tool called Vizard that creates dozens of promos from your long-form content in seconds. First things first, open your lead magnet in Canva or whatever design software you use to put it together. If your pages are set up as a standard PDF document, you need to get them into a vertical 1080 by 1920 video size, because that's the golden ratio for mobile platforms. If you're using the free version of Canva without a Resize button, just open your document in one window, create a new vertical project in another, and copy-paste each page over. It takes a little longer, but it works in a pinch if you aren't paying for the premium subscription features. If you are on the paid plan, just hit the Resize button, plug in those vertical dimensions, and Canva will do the heavy lifting for you. Just double check that your important text isn't getting cut off at the edges, which is a common issue when resizing for mobile. Now that your slides are formatted, you need more than just static images to hold attention on a busy feed. What really converts is a short face-to-camera video of you talking through the lead magnet, introducing yourself, and giving a clear call to action. Open your recording studio, and if you don't have a fancy external mic, just plug in your headphones because the built-in mic on those actually works surprisingly well. Before you hit record, keep your script simple. Start with who you are, what the lead magnet is, 2 quick benefits, and a clear directive on how to grab it. Try to keep each take under 30 seconds, as shorter, punchier videos tend to perform much better on these platforms. Record a few different takes until you feel confident, and then download that video file so you can start the editing process. If you want to stitch your slides with your talking head clip, you can do it right inside Canva or use a mobile editing app on your phone. Pro tip, if you record it on your computer, use AirDrop or a file transfer app to get that footage to your phone immediately so you don't waste time uploading to the cloud. Once the file is on your phone, open Instagram, select Reel, and lead with your talking head clip to hook the viewer right away. Now, add your Canva slides by swiping up to import them. But remember to trim that first half second of the clip so you don't accidentally cut off your transition. I like to structure it as an intro hook, then a slide showing what's inside, a quick example, and ending back on me for the call to action. Don't skip the captions, because many people watch videos without sound, and Instagram's auto caption tool is incredibly accurate now. Take a moment to move the text around, change the colors to match your brand, and fix any typos for a professional finish. For your cover image, choose a frame that clearly explains what the reel is about, like a bold title card that reads, "Free resource link in bio." Now, let's talk about scaling this process, because doing this manually for every video you make is a recipe for burnout. If you are creating long-form content like podcasts or webinars, Vizard is a massive time saver for turning one long recording into dozens of social promos. Instead of manually scrubbing through hours of footage, Vizard's AI automatically finds the most engaging, viral-worthy moments for you. It isn't just about cutting clips. It identifies the most high-value portions that are actually likely to perform well on your specific platform. This lets you turn a single hour-long webinar into 20 short, ready-to-post clips, giving you weeks of content in one sitting. Vizard hits that perfect middle ground, offering high-quality editing without forcing you to learn complicated pro-level software timelines. Plus, their auto-schedule feature handles the deployment, so you don't have to manually babysit your uploads every single day. Back to your manual reel. Once you have your captions and cover set, fill in your description with a very clear, direct link to your offer. Try filming your talking head clips from a few different angles to keep the video dynamic, and don't be afraid to keep the cuts fast. If you choose to use animations in your lead magnet slides, keep them subtle, so they don't distract from the actual value you are promising. In your final call to action, reiterate that the resource is free and tell them exactly what to do next to get their hands on it. You can even mention how you used AI tools like Vizard to clip your content, because followers love a little behind-the-scenes look at how you stay productive. So, to wrap up, resize your lead magnet, record a simple talking head intro, stitch them together, add captions, and optimize your cover. And if you really want to scale, let an AI tool handle the heavy lifting of clipping your long-form videos into a library of ready-to-post promos. I'm going to drop a separate, detailed tutorial on how I use Vizard to schedule my entire month of content in one sitting, so look out for that next. Go create that promo, start getting those downloads, and I'll see you in the next one.